of the great things about factory cats is they all come standard with Trojan batteries, best in the business. So this machine actually has an option that we suggest on all factory cat machines, which is the single point watering harness. It comes with a hand pump. This makes it really easy to fill your wet cell batteries, which is one of the most important parts of maintenance if you want your batteries to last longer. Here you can see these white little indicators on the batteries here. All of them are at the bottom, which means that the cells are not filled up. So you're going to take this here, you'll plug it right into here. Super simple. Now ideally you'd have distilled water. You don't need to use distilled water. Well, we highly recommend it, but if you don't have access to it, you can just use regular tap water. And then you're going to pump right on this, on the bulb here. And if you look,
man squeeze,
these cells will actually start to fill up. Now this one hasn't been watered in a while. So you'll see here now, when you get to the point where you can't squeeze the bulb anymore, that means that the system is completely watered, and you'll notice that all the white indicators are now at the top of the cell there. One thing that I will also tell you is that you do not want to water your batteries when the batteries are dead or at a low charge. The reason is that if you fill them when they're low, when you go to plug the charger in and you charge the batteries, they do have a chance of overflowing. So you always want to water your batteries, whether you have your single point watering system or not. You always want to water the batteries right after a full charge.